Mayūrāsana, the Peacock Pose. Sit in Vajrasana. Then slowly slide your knees apart. Place your hands between your knees on the ground, with your fingers pointing back. Bend your elbows and place them near your navel. Now slowly bring your body weight onto your palms and then extend your legs back. Keeping your focus at one point, lean forward and lift your legs up. Balance your body and stay in this position for a few breaths. Slowly return to the base position and relax. Mayurasana eliminates edema and abnormal mass in the stomach. It also eradicates spleen diseases such as spleen enlargement. It ignites a spark of energy and motivation. It increases and improves the digestive fire of the stomach.